In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a journal in Xero. We'll walk through this together on the Xero Demo Company, which is a safe environment where you can practice without affecting any real data. If you're following along in your own Xero account, the steps will look the same, but I recommend trying it in the Demo Company first so you can get comfortable with the process. Start by opening Xero and making sure you're in the Demo Company. If you're not there already, switch to it from your organization list. Once you're in the Demo Company dashboard, look towards the top of the screen for the main navigation menu. Next, click on the Accounting tab at the top. This is where Xero groups most of the tools you'll use for managing your financial data. When you click Accounting, a drop-down menu will appear with several options related to reports, charts of accounts, and journals. From that drop-down, select Manual Journals. This will take you to the Manual Journals page, where you can see any existing journals that have been posted or saved as drafts. At the top right or near the main actions area, you'll see an option to import. Go ahead and click on Import Journal. This opens the journal import screen. Here, Xero usually provides a template file you can download, often in CSV format. If you haven't already prepared your journal file, it's a good idea to download this template and use it as a guide. The template shows the required columns such as date, account code, description, debit and credit amounts, and any tracking categories you might need. Make sure that for every debit entry, there's a corresponding credit, and that the total debits equal total credits for each journal. Now, on the import page, fill in the required details. This typically includes selecting your file from your computer and confirming settings like the date format or whether the first row of your file is a header row. Take a moment to double check that the file you're uploading is the correct one, and that it's saved in the format Xero accepts. Once your file is selected and the details look right, follow the on-screen prompts. Xero will guide you through mapping the columns in your file to the correct fields in Xero, and then it will run a quick validation check. If there are any errors, Xero will highlight them so you can go back, correct your file, and try again. When everything is valid, you can confirm the import and your manual journals will be created in Xero based on the file you uploaded.